Basic computer questions and answers. What does CPU stands for? First option Central Processing Unit. Second option Computer Personal Unit. Third option Central Power Unit. Fourth option Computer Processor Utility. The answer कौन होबो? Answer होची a Central Processing Unit. Then second question. The smallest unit of memory is a first option byte, second option bit, third option kilobyte, fourth option megabyte. The answer कौन होगा? Bit. Bit is the smallest unit of memory. Then who is known as the father of the computer? The first option कौन? Alan Turing, Bill Gates, and third option Charles Babbage. The answer होची Charles Babbage. एबे आसबा हम फोर्थ क्वेश्चन को. A computer works with dash and dash. तो कंप्यूटर कौन कौन को नहीं काम करे? फर्स्ट आंसर होची कंप्यूटर. A computer works with data and instructions. Fifth question. The part of the computer that you can touch is called. जो कंप्यूटर पार्ट को आम टच करि परिबा ताको आम कौन कहिबा? आंसर होची हार्डवेयर. देन सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. द इंफॉर्मेशन वी सी ऑन ए मॉनिटर इज कॉल्ड ए. जो इंफॉर्मेशन को जो फाइल को आमे देखुचे मॉनिटर उपरे तो ताको आमे कौन कहबा? ताको कहा जिवो सॉफ्ट कॉपी. The information we see on a monitor is called a soft copy. Stay tuned for more questions and answers about computer science. Subscribe and like, share.